Hey, what's up guys? It's Jake. Today we're going to go over using arrow functions in JavaScript, which is pretty similar to using them in Java as well. So let's get started. So this is a simple function that just sums two numbers that you pass in as parameters, a and b. It returns the sum of a and b. So let's convert this into an arrow function. So we could do this by either saying var sum equals a, b as parameters, and then we use this arrow, so equal sign, and greater than sign, and we just say a plus b. And that's basically it. You could make this, say if you want more code here, like a block of code, you could say var sum equals a, b. You could use brackets. You could say like, I don't know, you could say return a plus b, or you could do like if statements in here, whatever you want. So that's basically it. Nothing too complicated. If you have one parameter, you could make it even more simple. Say you want to do an operation like divide by 2. So we have a function half, passing one parameter, and we say return a divided by 2. Since we have one parameter, we could do an arrow function var half equals a, so you don't even need these parentheses around it, a divided by 2. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.